COVID-19. This is an infectious disease caused by the newly discovered coronavirus. It's spread through respiratory droplets produced when an infected person coughs or sneezes. Corona affects the respiratory tract. 7 steps to take. 1. Wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 30 seconds or use hand sanitizer with 60% alcohol content. 2. Keep distance between yourself and others. 3. Avoid close contact with sick people. 4. Stay home if sick. 5. Cover coughs and sneezes. 6. Only wear a face mask if you're sick or caring for somebody who is sick. And finally 7. Clean and disinfect surfaces that are often touched. This message is brought to you by Les Productions, 3C Digital Marketing, Evangelist Phil Kioko and Naftunes Productions. This video is meant for public use.